Celebrity trainer, former physical therapist and assistant strength coach for the New York Mets, and current writer for Men's Fitness magazine. One thing I want to deal with today is the sport of MMA. Mixed martial arts is really a hot trend now, and not for the guys that are doing it, but if you go to any gym now, you'll see a handful of guys that are preparing and training for MMA, or they just like the style of workouts. I'm a pretty big fan of it because they're pretty purposeful, they're pretty functional workouts, and they get your body moving in some unique direction. So let's get right into it today. The first thing I like to do is I kind of, again, this is a workout. We're not going to do it in a circuit format. We're going to do about 2 to 3 sets of every exercise. And for this one here, I'm going to do about 10 reps to each side. So what I want to do is start off by doing a straight arm, cross knee tuck. So I'll have my straight arm coming down, but I want to get a knee lift and knee lift. All right, so if we get it in here, okay, working upper body, abs when you lift that knee up. Keep it nice and tight. You got a guy's head right here, then right on the head with your knee. Next one, come down here, Turkish Get Up. A little variation into a punching version of it. So instead of having it up here to begin with, I'm going to do my get up with a punch that's going to send me right into my get up. So boom, up, and down. You can go other side, or you got no hands, up. Oh, gotta stop a little bit there. And down. And down. Okay, so you work both sides. Turkish Get Up there, come back in here. Get your punches out. This is a 90-second exercise. So, this one over here, called Puncher's Fury. Get your hands in, take a good set of tubing, get ready, you're gonna punch, punch. Now this is stamina. 90 seconds. Might seem easy for the first 10, 20, 30 seconds. Keep going. For 90, your arms will be hanging. You keep that going for a full 90 seconds. 3 times. So rest about a minute in between. Come here, grab 2 kettlebells. Here, rest them up on your shoulders. You're going to squat down to 90 degrees, right down here. Elbows touch. Come up, pivot, and punch up. Come right back down, up, pivot, punch. Going 10 to each side. Okay, so 10, 10, 20, 2 to 3 sets of the squat press. Then go grab, and we're going to use a sandbag here. You can use a dumbbell. You can use, one dumbbell, hold it here, or a kettlebell, hold it here. I like the unevenness and the unpredictability of the sandbag because it allows me to, kind of be able to move awkward weights. If you're MMA, you're in the ring, you're not moving around a predictable amount of weight. You don't know how much your opponent weighs. You don't know what direction his momentum is going to be carrying him. So, with the sandbag, you're going to lift it up on the shoulder to a 45-degree lunge. Out, back. Out, back. Now, you can go across your body. It's a little bit more difficult. So like a crossover, 45 degree, and then crossover, 45 degree with the weight on the other side. So beginners start with the on this side, go in the direction of the weight. As you get a little bit more advanced, you can do your lunges across your body. As you get really advanced, you go in the opposite direction of the where the weight is. Left side for the right shoulder. Okay? You go 10, 10, 2 to 3 sets, 2 to 3 rounds. You come back, get our abs in, something I call beat down, punch and crunch. Get up on top. Okay, right here, use a resistance that's heavy enough. So good resistance to me. Now, we're going to try to do a basic version of a crunch. We're contracting our stomach, pulling our abs in, which is going to flex our spine, pull us closer to the ground. But at the same time, let's punch and get a little bit of oblique activation by turning in front of my left knee. So I come down, crunch, punch down. Crunch, punch down. A few reps of those, and not only my abs working, I can feel right here in my obliques as well. So, a little quick MMA workout, 2 to 3 sets. Go through each of the 6 exercises, about 10 to 12 reps, but keep the pace up. You don't want to turn this into a 2-minute rest in between every exercise. Get your heart rate up, get your breath going, and we'll be prepared for the ring.